I'm gonna get you. What are you doing? I'm gonna get you. Tickle, tickle. Tickle. Yep. Kiss. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Beans, bird. Beans. Are you a good boy? Yeah? What are you doing? What are you doing? I don't know. What are you doing? Hi. What you doing? What you doing? Give me a kiss. Nah. Are you wet? Are you a wet bird?
That's definitely what he is.
Are you a wet bird? Kiss. Thank you. Gonna get you. Tickle, tickle.
I did go without an R.
What you eating? You making a mess? Yeah. Mmm. I think his foot's fixed. Do you know how to play ball?
He does.
Yes, here he comes. Here he comes.
Like almonds, though.
Oh, he doesn't like almonds. He won't. No, look at Angie getting all jealous because Bean's got the ball now. Come here, Angie.
They play together once they get going.
Come here. Oh, they're mad at each other.
Yeah.
They're arguing. Look, Bean's like, I want to play ball and get treats.
Once they both get locked
Oh, now
up,
they're going to play tug of war with it?
Watch, they'll kind of have fun, probably. Or at least they have in the past.
What's happening over here? We got a brother-sister fight? Huh? These two are like brother and sister. They were raised as babies together. They were litter mates or nest mates. Look at his feather. His feather is sticking up. You gonna fight over it, you guys? Huh? Oh my goodness. Sibling rivalry. Good grief. Bean? Bean doesn't get treat?
You didn't like it anyways.
You didn't like almonds? Well, there's Aunt G. Hi, Aunt G. We're training the birds to fetch because we're weird. Basically, they get really, really, really bored. So you like have to teach them stuff. Angie like has been begging us to teach her something. This one here. And this one is so super smart, it's freaky. What are you guys doing? Oh, did you see what she did? Where'd the ball go? Oh, there it is. There it is. Look what I got, guys. Mommy can talk. Look. What do I got? What do I got? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Fight, 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 fight. You two, brother and sister. This is the brother, and then this is the sister. Yes, but they're different. They're different species. This is a monk parrot. Whoa, she's on the phone. She's on the phone. You crazy bird. You crazy. So this one is an Indian ringneck, and you can follow her. She's got her own page, and it's AngeltheRingneck. That's hashtag AngeltheRingneck, and you're going to see all sorts of cute videos with Angel. And then this is her brother Beans Bird, which is one word, beans, as in legumes. Beans bird. He is a Quaker or a monk parakeet. Come here. Come here. What are you doing? What are you doing? He's like, as long as I have it and she doesn't. Oh, she's on the phone again. I'm happy. Angel has an obsession with the phone. She likes to chew on the phone, so that's why she keeps jumping on the phone. Get all the birds. Here we go. Here we go. Here they are.
This is the poop thing, and he wants to eat it.
Oh, come here. I guess they're ready to go home, but this one's the Quaker. This one says, "What are you doing?" He's such a goofball. He talks all day. What are you doing? Right? You got a goofy voice. And he likes to be on mommy all the time. He just wants to hang out on me all the time because he's very sweet and loving. Right? Are you sweet and loving? Can I tickle you? You got a foot? Can I see your foot? To tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Come here, I'll pick you up. I'll show them. I'll show them. Look. Beep, 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 beep. See how he relaxes? He trusts me. He trusts me. Look at those feet. He's cute. He just relaxes because I do this every day, so we practice. So he knows he can trust me and that I won't hurt him. He puts up with it for a minute, and then I got to put him down. That's our agreement. He says, I'll put up with it for a little while, but then you got to put me right back. Right? Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. He says, I'd like to go up on your shoulder and drink something from your cup. Like your coffee or your tea or your water, anything you're drinking, I will drink it. Yes. That's right. That's his sister, Angel. Angel. And that's his big brother, or kind of like his daddy, Mr. Grouch. Groucho says, I kind of want to play. And then we got Daddy's got almonds. I'm going to see if Groucho will take an almond, but he probably won't because he's being a fuss bucket. There he goes. He says, I'm out of here. Okay, you guys. It's almost bedtime. It's almost birdie night-night. What do you think?
It's not good.
Yeah, good?
What do you mean? It's perfectly good.
Yummy. Pita. What's going on up there? Angel, I see you're under fluffs. Bill, I see you. Don't try to hide. You're not invisible. He said, I'm invisible.
You're only invisible when you're hiding.
Put it on Angel.
And then I did it. It might be the
Prove to me you're
same.
telling the truth.
Yeah.
What is going on down there? Oh my gosh. What are you doing, Beanie? You should stay in there.
Who wants to come out?
Well, they want to come out, I'm sure, but it's safer for them in there for now. It is better when we have them in 2 in each pack. 4 is kind of a lot for 1 pack. It kind of squishes them a little. And they'll be all right for a short
Groucho
period
just
of
got hit in
time.
the face.
Or they're going to argue over pizza crust when there's a big pizza crust right there. Look, Beanie. Look, Charlie's giving you pizza crust. Yeah. Take it, Beanie. He said, no, I want the one Angel's eating. Pizza party! Having some pizza, Angel?
I'm gonna give him some more pizza.
Eat the pizza. Not too much, it's just a treat. What do you think, Groucho? You like it?
They don't notice it.
I think they were hungry.
No.
Poor Bill. Poor Bill back there. He's so scared. Hey, kitty corn. Oh, you scared him. What's going on? You guys sharing a pizza?
There's a nut right under him, but he's not eating it.
Groucho.
Okay, here you go, bud.
Here, guys. Hey, don't fight over it.
That was sad. Oh, this is a cool plate.
Bean is a borb. That's the biggest borb ever. Angel really wants attention. Miss Angel. Come here. Bean, are you a borb? Are you a borb? Are you borbtastic? Are you borberific? Beanie. Hey, Beanie. Hey, Bean Bird. He's a borb. He's all fluffy. I'm gonna tickle you. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. I love where he lifts his wings. Tickle, 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 tickle. To get you? I get you. I'm trying to make a video about you, but you don't want to say nothing to me. You're being quiet. Tickle, tickle. Oh, sorry. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle. Look, he lifts his wings. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. She says, no, you gotta pet me. I'm the one you gotta pet. You wanna be pet? You wanna be pet? Yeah. She does. What are you doing, baby? What are you doing, baby? Yeah. Yeah, but what about poor Bean? What about poor Bean? Huh? Does he get pets? I know. Oh. What about Bean? Does he get pets? Look how fluffy she is. You're fluffy too, Beanie. You're bored. You gonna get me? He wants to play. He wants to play. He's gonna get me. He's gonna get me. No, she's gonna get me.
Add your biological and technological distinctiveness to our own.
What?
Resistance is futile.
What's
Eat.
futile mean?
Pointless. No point in trying to resist them.
Orzo
no
and
matter what.
sauce. Angel says, I like that. Orzo. And this is tempeh. Got some vegan birds tonight. Vegan burbs. Hey, Angel. Is that good? Yum, 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 yum. Is that good, baby? Yum, 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 yum. Pretty girl. How about you, Bean? Is that good? Just gonna flick it all over, flick it all over, flick it all over. Charlie. Are you a little tired there, buddy?
No, I'm not told.
Not tired. Your eyelashes are fluttering. Are you enjoying that, little beanie? This is a treat. I don't usually let him eat this. I swear. He had lettuce and carrots and almonds, zucchini and apple. Now he's having his naughty snack. And he's got a foot injury, so I'm spoiling him a little bit. Letting him eat whatever he wants to eat. Within reason. Look at him go. He's just so happy.
Where's Angie?
Where is Angie? She's over here.
Wait, did Angie know that? Listen, I think that's a...
Where you going? You gonna have a snack?
Where
you going?
Just gonna come
you get them all? Who's who? You gonna say who's who?
This is the Groucho. This is the Bill. This is the Bean. This is the Angel.